He's burying his head now. He's just not doing anything. He's like, look, I got my shell on.
It comes after me, I'm like gonna smack it.
Yeah.
I keep thinking it's dead. And I'm afraid to touch its head. Ugh.
You look up.
No. Come on, you silly thing. Ugh.
Did he pop up or not?
No. I'm just...
Let me try and really dig him out of there.
No.
I was wondering, but I mean, maybe he is stuck in there. Maybe he can't get out.
Can you not get out, Turdy Turtle? Are you ugh.
He is pretty well wedged in there.
Ugh. Okay.
He's a big old one.
Uh-huh. Maybe he's fixing to die. Maybe he is dead.
Well, there he goes.
Ooh. Ooh. Are you coming after us?
He's not gonna do it.
Where is he?
I know he's underneath us.
He's gonna knock us over.